Hello, my name is Oluwatunseyi. I welcome you to another episode in our air fryer series. Today we are going to make yam balls using our air fryer. So stay tuned. These are the ingredients we will use alongside the yam. Let's get cooking. Here is the yam. I already washed it, so I don't introduce sand to the countertop. You can line it with a paper or something convenient. I will need 4 round slices. I'll get a nylon to line this. I will give the yam a quick and nice wash. This is it. Ensure the water covers it, and then you add half teaspoon of salt. These are the boiled slices of yam. I poured them into a sieve. This is the milk. I got this by adding 1 cup of milk to 1 cup of water. Half cup of chopped carrots, a 1/4 cup of mandarin, 2 stalks of celery. I will just pluck the leaves like so. I need the leaves only. If I were to be juicing or making a smoothie, everything will go into the blender cup. 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of mixed bell peppers. We have the green, the yellow, and the red in here. I have my chicken broth here, a 1/4 cup. This is 1 cup of oats flour. This is another cup of oats that I did not grind. I am going to grind this roughly. This was the blender cup I used for the other one. So I will pour it in here and give it a rough blend. Look at this. This is the yam. It has drained. So I'll pour into a mixing bowl. Use a spatula to break the yams this way. Then reach forth to a garlic crusher or potato masher to crush the yams. Add the mandarin. Using the same cup we used to measure the mandarin, measure a 1/4 cup of milk. We will add it gradually. Now, pour the remaining milk. Mix properly to get the milk incorporated into the dough. We will start to add the remaining ingredients. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of chili pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, a 1/4 teaspoon of curry. Mix everything together. Add the onions, then the bell peppers. Shred the celery before adding it. I'm not going to give it a fine cut. I just need the color and the flavor. Pour the carrots. It's a whole lot of vegetables in here. Yes, I know. Stir everything together to allow all the ingredients to combine nicely and get incorporated into the dough. Use the spatula to sort of divide the dough into equal parts. Pick each part and roll into balls. Make sure your hands are clean. And if you don't want to use your palms to do the molding, keep watching as I will show you how to do that. Okay, so using your spatula, try to rub the dough on the walls of the bowl. Keep molding until you get the round or ball-like shape that you desire. Use the tongue to dip first into the milk, then the oats flour, and then into the roughly blended oats. Get the air fryer basket and spray with oil. Place each ball into the basket. They are all lined into the air fryer baskets. Spray the top of the balls with oil. Insert the basket into the air fryer. Set it to bake function, which has a temperature of 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, but I will set the time to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll check to see if it's well baked. Let's see. No, it's not fully done, so we'll go for another 15 minutes. So this is after 15 minutes. That's 30 minutes in all. Flip the balls so that the other side will face up. I have flipped everything to the other side. Then spray with oil like we did previously. It means this time we'll also go for 30 minutes for the second side that is turned up. Look at this! I actually dipped the balls into the dry oats so as to give it the crispy and crunchy texture on the outside. Look at what we have on the inside. It's so soft. Thanks for getting to this point with me. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share to friends and family, and kindly subscribe if you've not done so. Till I see you in the next one, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.